be anyị, aha m bụ Nwaada Chioma. Isiokwu anyị nke tata, anyị ga-elebara anya na atụmatụ okwu a na-akpọ ajụjụ nzara onwe. Dịka anyị si wee mara, atụmatụ okwu bụ figures of speech n'olu bekee, ya na ajụjụ nzara onwe bụ ihe ndị bekee na-akpọ rhetorical question. Ọmụmaatụ ya bụ, a na-ahụ ọka na filling station. Echetara mgbe nke a na-ewu, a na-eri ji na Germany. So ka anyị kọwaa maka ya ọfụma. Ajụjụ nzara onwe bụ atụmatụ okwu ekwuru n'ụdị ajụjụ, mana ajụjụ ahụ achọghị ọsịsa. It is a type of question that we ask, a rhetorical question. A question that is asked, but nobody expects you to give an answer because everybody already knows the answer. N'ihi nke a, onye na-ekwu okwu nzara onwe na-ekwu ya iji wee kọwarukwuo okwu ya n'isi. So the person that is asking these questions is just asking you so that you can think very well and answer it for yourself. You don't need to give that person an answer. Ọmụmaatụ, a na-eti isi akwụ ọkpọ. A na-eti isi akwụ ọkpọ. We all know what is isi akwụ. That's the palm fruit. You don't go and start boxing it because you know it has plenty thorns on it. So you don't go and start boxing it because you don't want to enjoy yourself. Number 2, a na-eje ụnyaahụ eje. A na-eje ụnyaahụ eje. You go back to tomorrow. You go to tomorrow. You can't go to tomorrow because tomorrow has already passed. Ya mere a na-eje ụnyaahụ eje. So if anyone asks you, a na-eje ụnyaahụ eje, means the person is asking that you have done something to the person, or you have done something that has passed. So the person cannot go back and revisit the thing again. That's why the person is asking you, a na-eje ụnyaahụ eje. Mmadụ ọ na-alụ nwanne ya? Mmadụ ọ na-alụ nwanne ya? Can someone get married to his sibling? The answer is no. Everybody knows that it's no. In Igbo land, you can't get married to your sibling. So when they ask mmadụ na-alụ nwanne ya, everybody already knows the answer. Number 4, a na-ebilite ozu nwụrụ anwụ n'akwa. A na-ebilite ozu nwụrụ anwụ n'akwa. It means you raise a dead corpse by crying. When someone has died, the person has died. You can't cry and bring the person back to life. That's the question. A na-ebilite ozu nwụrụ anwụ n'akwa. Number 5, otu a na-agba n'igwe. Otu a na-agba n'igwe. We know otu, that's this eating of the wood by insects. And he said that used to eat a wood, that it cannot go and eat the sky. It can only eat wood. It can't eat the sky. That's the termite. It can only eat the wood, and it cannot eat the sky. That's what they're asking you. Can the termite eat the sky? Number 6, iyi ọ na-eri ọba. Iyi ọ na-eri ọba. Ọba is cup. Iyi is water. It's asking you whether the water can swallow the cup. Whether the water can water swallow a cup? You know, whenever you put a cup inside water, it will always float. So it's telling us that water cannot swallow a cup. Number 7, a na-ajụ oke ma ọ ga-erikwa azụ. A na-ajụ oke ma ọ ga-erikwa azụ. It means, do you ask a rat if it will eat fish? Do you ask a rat if it will eat fish? We all know that rats like eating fish. So you don't ask a rat if it will eat fish. Number 8, mmadụ a na-ajụ akpị mmadụ ọ na-ajụ ma akpị a na-agba agba. Mmadụ ọ na-ajụ na akpị a na-agba agba. It means, does someone ask if a scorpion stings? Nobody asks if a scorpion stings because everybody knows that a scorpion stings. Number 9, ogiri ọ na-esi isi. Ogiri ọ na-esi isi. We know the locals been after preparing it, after fermenting it for days and drying it under the sun. That's what we call ogiri in Igbo land. And we know that it's sweet. When you use it to cook, it's sweet. But the smell, you don't want to go there. So you don't ask. Once you're carrying ogiri in a place, once there's ogiri in a place, everybody will know. If you're tying it in the waterproof, everybody will know. But if you put it inside a can and cover it, a plastic can, it will not smell. So that's why you're asking you ogiri on sisi. If you bring ogiri here and keep it here, it will smell everywhere. So the next one, number 10. Nwanyị ọ na-eti mmọnwụ. Nwanyị ọ na-eti mmọnwụ. It means, does a woman wear a masquerade, or is a woman a masquerade? Nwanyị ọ na-eti mmọnwụ. We all know that in Igbo land, the mmọnwụ is something that is associated with the male folk. So you can't tell a woman, or you can't see a woman wearing a masquerade. Number 11. Ikuku ọ na-ama ọnya. Ikuku ọ na-ama ọnya. Ikuku ama n'ọnya. Ikuku ọ na-ama ọnya. Ikuku is air. Okay, ikuku ọ na-ama n'ọnya. Ikuku is air. What he's telling us is that can you set a trap and catch air? Can you catch air? Can the trap catch air? Everybody knows that it's false. It's no. Nobody can catch the air. The air is everywhere, but nobody can catch it. So that's where we got ikuku and ammonia. The next one is number 12. A-na-ebu ala ebu. A-na-ebu ala ebu. Ala is the ground, the soil. It's asking you if you can carry the ground. Can you carry the ground? Can you carry the ground? Answer me. Everybody knows that the answer is no. Nobody can carry the soil. Nobody can carry the ground. So a-na-ebu ala ebu. Number 13. A na-anwụ ugboro abụọ. A na-anwụ ugboro abụọ. Do people die 2 times? Do people die 2 times? The answer is no. Everybody knows that once you die, you're dead. You can't come back again and die again. Onye nwụrụ anwụgo. So everybody knows the answer to the question. So that is it for rhetorical questions, which is called Ajụjụ nzaraonwe in Igbo language. Recently, there was a time, some years back, there was a time it was like everybody was asking questions. People come to you and they'll be like, and I hawk and I finish station. And I hawk and I finish station. You know that the finish station is where you sell gas, and you can't go there and start exposing flames anyhow. It's going to burn down the filling station. And a region in Germany, you all remembered when Ike Ekweremadu went to a New Yam festival in Germany and he was beaten. So he then became a joke here in Nigeria. And a region in Germany. So I did a region in Germany. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, Messia.